the basic principle of dropshipping and how you can get started with this simple business model. Before dropshipping, a popular business model called affiliate marketing was in vogue. And why that's still profitable? Dropshipping is providing even a more robust opportunity. So now, what exactly is dropshipping and how can you get started? Dropshipping is a simple business model whereby you can create an online store, list products of your choice, and make sales. Whenever you make sale, you can connect to the actual suppliers of that product to help you fulfill that order. It is just that simple. So now, how do you get started with this simple business model? There are a few things you need to get started. Number one is an online platform. Without a platform, there's no way people will get to know the products you're selling. So you need an online platform. Now, to get an online platform, there are two ways. Number one is to build from scratch. You can build something like a website or an online store where you list these products. But the process of building from scratch, anything can go wrong. So there's an alternative, which is using already existing dropshipping platforms like Shopify, big cartels, etc. So you can just choose any one of your choice and build your store using their platform. With Shopify, all you need is to head over to your web browser, open Shopify website at www.shopify.com, enter your email to open an account. Shopify gives you a free 3 days trial. So when you are done, select the appropriate options in these sessions, or you can skip all. And just like that, your Shopify store is opened. You can go ahead and add more settings to suit your business. This is a simpler and easier way to get started. Now, when you have built your platform, the next thing is you start promoting your products and start making sales. That is all about dropshipping. Here is a complete breakdown of the processes involved in dropshipping. Number one is building your platform, which I've told you can use Shopify or Big Cartel to build a platform, which is like your online store. Now, listing your products. When you list products that you like, give it fantastic descriptions. Then the next step is you start promoting these products. You can promote on social medias like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, or even on YouTube. You promote the product to the right audience. Now, when you promote your product, you're going to start making sales. People will start placing order on your store. When someone places an order on your store for a particular product, what the next thing you're going to do is to fulfill this order. Remember, you don't actually have these products right at your disposal. So you need someone who does to help you fulfill that order. Okay, so how do you do this? You simply contact the supplier of that product. So when you contact the supplier of the product, provide them with the detail of the order, pay the cost of that product and other associated costs like shipping fee if necessary. With that, they will help you fulfill that order. They will simply ship the product directly to your customer on your behalf. Yes, because the products and everything will be bearing your details, indicating that you are the one that sold it to them. So that is how dropshipping works. Here are things you need to know. Before you list a product on your store, you need to have a link to a supplier or a manufacturer that will help you fulfill that order. If you do not have a direct link to any supplier or manufacturer of that particular product, it is advisable that you check out other alternative products to avoid a situation whereby people will finish ordering different products from your store and you now come back and start refunding their money because you are not able to fulfill it. So this is all you need to know about dropshipping, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If this video helped you in any way, do consider giving it a like, and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you, and I will see you in the next one.